Race for Rhinos, proudly hosted by Botswana and sponsored by Botswana Tourism. The inaugural air race for rhinos in Botswana was a pioneering feat of epic proportions to raise awareness in what can only be described as a country of epic proportions.
Any event like this requires a huge amount of manpower and logistics. And normally we would have an event like this at a town where there's a flying club and a whole support structure. Here in Botswana, the Matsieng Flying Club, specifically guys like Gilliam Knipe and Gerard Barnard, and of course the Bed brothers from the Vet Drilling has been unbelievable. I mean, Henty and Rudy and Jan has pulled all the stops. Awesome how everybody is pitching in and helping out to make this work. And then of course the Botswana government is also amazing.
We trying to make a dream from Chris, Gillimer and Gerard come true. We've got to put up 320 tents. Botswana Tourism and their team has done wonders. They've put up the camp military style to look, everything needs to look neat. We need to protect the area. And we've got to do all this in 30-knot winds.
We've decided that we are going to go ahead with this location, and we're going to use vehicles to trample or to roll the runways, the taxiways flat. We do believe that it will dry out enough by Thursday when the first competitors will be arriving. The towers has arrived, so we're putting up the finishing tower as well as the control tower.
Thousands of man-hours went into the setup of the camp, and thousands of hours would be spent in the air. But first, the intrepid pilots on their flying machines would have to arrive. Arrival day, 65 aircraft, 130 pilots and navigators arrived with an astounding array of aircraft in one of the most awe-inspiring parts of the globe. The pilots could not wait to take off.
This one is obviously very unique because it's here in this very interesting part of the world with Baobab on the edge of the Makati Pan. It's really special, and it answers to the original question, are we looking forward to it? It's an unequivocal yes.
The latest GoPro cameras were going to fly along, 30 of them in all, to capture every aerial maneuver, turn and landing. The locals' buy-in, though, was vital to the success of the Race for Rhinos.
And what we did was we negotiated with the community in order to allow for us to use this site that is a National Heritage Site. It's a site which is used for initiations and various types of heritage. It's also got some very old walls which are similar